Wait sa whistle. Unahan kayo mag-kick off. Race na, race. Ready? Kick! Eh! Kick! Wow! Good job! Okay, get your ball! Bilis! Lagay naman dito. Lagay naman dito. Go, 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 go. Go, dito lagay. Dito lagay. Dito, bilis. Dito, dito lagay. Dito. Okay, dito. City, lagay mo bola mo. Ace! Dito lagay ang bola. Bilis, Ace! Bilis! Okay, atras. Go, atras tayo, atras. Okay, atras. Okay, AJ and the City, atras. AJ, here. Ready? Okay, dito lang. Malayo naman tayo sa City. Dito lang. Ang lalawin siya. Run and kick! 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 Go! Busin ang coach! Kailangan na tumbang coach! Go! Kick! Dapat i-kick ang bola, hindi ang coach. Ang bola ang mas katumbang. Okay, again. Last round. Get to some more. Go. Last round. After this, mag-play na tayo ng real game, okay? Gusto mo, real game. Go, lagay ang bola doon. Last round. Dito, go. Lagay ang bola dito. Dito malapit lang. Dito lang. Go, line the ball. Go. Mag-kick siya. Sali din si coach siya. Mag-kick din si coach siya. Okay, atras. Go. Sandali lang. Wait sa whistle. Ace. Kick na tayo, Ace. Dito mo na, James. Start from here. Run and kick. Our target is the coach, hit the coach. Kailangan maubos ang coach. Ready? Go! Kick! Go! Kailangan tumbang coach. Get your ball and kick again. Kailangan tumbang coach. Bilis! Lagay bola. Kick! AJ doon, lapit na. Kaya para matumbang coach. Go! Kick! Go! Mahirin mandala. Tatlo na ka tayo. Go! Go! Last coach. May last coach. Yun. Huwag magagawan, boys. Teamwork! Tara, team. Good job! Okay, water break. Okay, read game. Water break. Leave your ball. Play din